Wendy Williams, once the reigning queen of daytime talk, just made a rare and tense appearance in court, and y'all, the drama is next level. She was accompanied by her niece, Alex Finney, for what turned into a bombshell of a hearing. And when I say bombshell, I mean the kind that leaves everyone in the courtroom holding their breath. Right off the bat, the judge came in hot, issuing a gag order that bars pretty much everyone involved from speaking out. But here's where things get real messy. The judge allegedly threatened Alex Finney, criticized Wendy's family as being untrustworthy, and wait for it, declare that Wendy's career is officially over. Yes, a judge said that. In court. Out loud. Now, Wendy's lawyer, the one and only Joe Tacopina, you've seen him in big-time cases before. He did not take that lightly. In fact, he went straight for the jugular, calling the judge's remarks outrageous, unjust, and completely out of line. According to Joe, Wendy is still mentally sharp, and not only that, she passed a cognitive exam with flying colors. So then why is she still under guardianship? Why is she confined to a care facility, with her life and voice locked down? That's exactly what Joe is trying to get to the bottom of. He believes something doesn't add up, and he's making some pretty serious accusations. According to him, this isn't just about care. It's about control and possibly cash. Joe's raising questions about the motivations behind Wendy's guardianship. He's suggesting that there could be financial incentives at play, hinting that someone or some people may be benefiting from keeping Wendy isolated and away from the public eye. And if that's true, that would be a scandal of Britney Spears' proportions. And let's talk about that gag order for a second, because Tacopina isn't letting it slide. He says this is a textbook case of prior restraint, a direct violation of Wendy's constitutional rights. In simpler terms, they're trying to silence her before she even speaks, and that, according to Joe, is completely unconstitutional. He plans to fight it hard, legally, publicly, and relentlessly. The real kicker? Wendy reportedly wants to speak. She wants to tell her story, but she legally can't. Her guardian controls her public image, her finances, and even her access to communication. So what's really happening behind the scenes? Her fans are confused. Her family is reportedly divided. Her lawyer is outraged. And Wendy herself, silenced. But if Joe Tacopina has anything to say about it, this is far from over. He's vowed to stay on the case until Wendy is not just free, but heard. Because love her or not, Wendy Williams built an empire with her voice. And now, that voice is being kept quiet by a legal system that might be protecting someone else's interests more than hers. This story is still unfolding, and trust, it's only going to get louder from here. Stay tuned, because the Free Wendy movement might just be about to begin.